What's up guys, and welcome to Coron. So we just arrived in Coron. We are going to go on a boat tour this morning, but I do not want to go on the excursions because they're going to be super busy and they leave a bit later. So I want to avoid the crowd, so I'm going to go and find a private boat tour now. But of course if you're one person it's going to cost you a lot more, so I'm just arriving at the port. So I'm going to try and find some other people who want to go on the same tour as me, and I will join them so it works out a lot cheaper, faster, and I get more time for myself. Okay, so luckily I met up with some people who are doing the same tour as me, one Colombian guy and one local guy from the Philippines, so it's perfect. We've got our guide, just been to the market to get some food, which we're going to be cooking on one of the islands where we're stopping at. Now we're on our way to our boat with the tour guide in front of us. He's going to take us to some special places which he knows where there's not going to be many tourists, so we're excited. So this is going to be our boat for the day. Thank you. Yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you very much. So here we are. Hello. So we're on the boat now, we're just waiting for the captain to come back. He just had to go and get his papers cleared from the Coastal Guard service so he can, the boat can leave the port, and now he's back and we're about to head off. From the boat actually you can see Mount Tapias. That is probably where we'll be going up tonight for sunset. So we are on our way. So just arriving at Kayayan Lake. As you can see, it's pretty amazing.
Hectares both land and sea. It is the property of the indigenous people or the native. We call them Tagbanwa. That's why we have an island payment. Every destination they are the one who receive it.
Wow. So just arriving now, we're going to anchor the boat, stop here, and we're going to have to walk up to get to the actual lake entrance. So we just got off the boat, now we're going to go to the entrance. We've got our card here. And now let's go. Get to the top, there's 163 steps, and to go down how many?
204 steps.
204 to go down, so total that is
367 steps.
367 steps to get to the lake. Let's do it! Higher and higher. Oh, it looks like we're here. So now we're going to go down the steps and we're going to arrive at the Kayayan Lake. We're nearly there. See, most people call it Kayagan, but it's Kayayan. Silent. He's going to go Kayayan. So once you go down all the steps, we finally arrive at the lake, Kayayan Lake. So quite a few tourists here, but it's not like too busy, to be honest. It's not that overwhelming. But I do consider that it is pretty early in the morning. So apparently when we leave here within the next hour, when we're going to leave, it's going to be crazy busy. So just come early to make sure it doesn't get too crazy. And also you've got to wear a life jacket here. If not, you could get a fine, so just bear that in mind. That is so nice. Okay, so where are we going next?
Alright, so our second stop will be the Twin Peaks. So it's gonna be snorkeling activity in there. So yeah, mostly snorkeling activity.
Okay, how long is it from here?
It's gonna be only 5 minutes from here.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, and hoping that we can be alone in there.
Okay, okay. Let's find it. Off we go, guys. Let's go. And so we just made it here to our first stop to go snorkeling. It's just behind me over there. You can see there's good people over there, but it's pretty empty. There's only one other boat. I'd say we're going to go snorkeling now. Let's check out some coral reefs, some fish, so there is. I'm also on this tour I told you with like another Colombian guy and a local guy. This is Edward, he's a local guy. He also makes YouTube videos and Instagrammer. I'll link his stuff below. And this is Juan, he is from Colombia. He also makes amazing Instagram posts. He has a big following, so go check out his Instagram. I will link it down below as well. So the snorkeling there was really nice. We saw some nice fish, some coral reef. Now we're off our way to the Twin Lagoon, which is pretty close by. We're going to stop there and go exploring even more. So we've just arrived now at the Twin Lagoon. We're going to be going exploring in there for a bit. And we'll be having lunch somewhere else. Welcome to the Twin Lagoon. And so the reason why it's called the Twin Lagoon is because there are two lagoons, and between them there's just this that separates them, like a little hole underneath it. When the tide's up, you go up the ladder. When the tide is down, you can go underneath it. Let's go see. So basically the two lagoons are next to each other. Just this is what separates the two of them. That's why they're called the Twin Lagoons. This is the path of the route. So wherever you go here, you have to use a life jacket. The one I have is a bit too big, so it's kind of struggling for swimming. So I'm using it as a diaper instead to float on. Now we're going to head back to the boat. I'm going to fly the drone and get some nice shots of here. So we just arrived on the island. This is where we're going to be having lunch. So now they're preparing some lovely lunch for us all. We've got some like grilled fish, some meat, chicken, some sauce, some vegetables, and fresh mango. So they're preparing this lovely food for us whilst we're on the beach here relaxing. It's amazing life. Can't complain much. Hey puppy! Isn't he adorable? Look how cute he is. Oh, he's so cute. Lunch is served, so we've got some rice, vegetables, chicken, fish, mango, salad and some pork. Enjoying the beautiful view here by the beach with our lovely guides who have just prepared this for us. It's amazing. Bon appetit!
above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. Oh.
We're going back on the boat now after a delicious lunch. Now we're off to another snorkeling spot, and then we'll head off to the Green Lagoon, which will be our last destination of the tour today.
It's a perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my.
So here you're free to go without life jacket.
So now we just arrived at our second spot to go snorkeling. Apparently here the water's even more clearer than before, and there's absolutely nobody. Well, there's like one boat over there, fisherman boat, and that is it. And then everything else is entirely for us. Just arrived at our final stop of the day, and this is the Green Lagoon, and honestly this place looks like heaven on earth. I'm not just saying that, like, it's unreal. The colour of the water is insane. There's literally nobody else except for one small boat over there, and it's just us and nature. Just flown the drones, got some epic shots from the sky. Now we're just chilling here for a bit longer, waiting for the sun to go down, and then we'll head back home for sunset.
But I don't know how to be just